Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're viewing this. Welcome to HTM 101, Introduction to Hospitality and Tourism. I'm so excited to be with you this semester. As you may have seen from some of the information already, this is an asynchronous class, and I'm going to first go through and talk about the first kind of fun assignment, I'll say, is the introduction. And so I wanted to do that kind of by first introducing myself. So as you can see, what I'm going to be looking for in this assignment is for you to introduce yourself with your name, the goal or what you hope to gain from the class, and then any hospitality experience or knowledge. And it could be as an employee, if you have some experience there, as a customer, if you've ever stayed in a hotel, dined in a restaurant, flown on an airplane, used a Lyft or Uber, anything like that. And then as well, what comes with that is sometimes as a critic and maybe some of the experiences that you've had. And so, and if you can submit this by video, I would love to be able to kind of virtually meet you as well. But I'll take it in any form that you'd like to submit. So first off, my name is Lisa Crone. In addition to being your adjunct professor this semester, I'm also a director of human resources at the San Francisco Marriott Marquis. And I've been there for with the company, I should say, for just a little bit over 30 years. My goal, what I hope to gain from the class, I hope to learn from you what some of your experiences have been, what drives you to be interested in hospitality, and what you hope to gain from the class. I hope to learn so that I can provide you some of that knowledge that I might have. And then my experience, as I said, I've been an employee in varying different positions. I started as a hostess in one of the hotels that I worked at, and I've done a lot of operations before my career in human resources. I've also been a customer, and I'll be able to share some of my service experiences with you as well in an activity that we'll have throughout the semester. So I do look forward to meeting you and hearing your introductions, and I wish you a great week ahead, and I know we're going to have a great semester.